Hey there, rock stars! Ready to turn your downtime into dollar signs? Today, we are diving into the world of free online courses and how can you monetize those new skills without spending a fortune. Whether you want to boost your resume, start a side hustle, or even change careers, these resources offer a wealth of knowledge at no cost. First up is Harvard University. Yes, the Ivy League school offers free online courses. For instance, they have a public speaking course that can be your gateway to earning $1,500 for a 30-minute speech. Start by offering free speeches at local events to build your reputation. Then, move on to paid gigs. You can also create YouTube content about public speaking and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. Additionally, Harvard's courses on data science can set you up as a data analyst, a role that can pay you up to $90,000 a year. Offer your data analysis services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Freelancer to help businesses make informed decisions. Next, let's talk about Alison.com. This platform offers over 4,000 free courses. Interested in dropshipping? Alison has a course on how to start and scale a dropshipping business on Amazon. Complete the course, get certified, and begin your online store on platforms like Shopify. You can also teach what you have learned by creating and publishing your own courses on Alison, earning between €100 and €250 per month per course. If you prefer not to create or take courses, you can still earn by joining Alison's referral program and sharing your unique links to earn 20% of the revenue generated by your referrals. Udemy and Skillshare are also great platforms for free learning. While they offer a mix of paid and free courses, you can find plenty of free ones in areas like IT, software development, marketing, and photography. Once you have acquired new skills, offer services on freelancing websites or create your own courses to earn from student enrollments. Microsoft Learn is another gold mine for free courses, especially if you are looking to enhance your tech skills from Excel to Azure. Microsoft Learn offers a range of courses, many of which are free. Although some certifications may have a fee, the knowledge is priceless. You can use these skills to sell training sessions to businesses or promote remote IT support services, adding Microsoft certifications to your resume for credibility. LinkedIn Learning offers a sneaky way to access courses for free. While it's a paid service, you can sign up for a free month trial, binge as many courses as possible, and cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. Use these new skills to update your LinkedIn profile and attract job offers or offer freelance services like project management consulting. Sailororg is a non-profit offering in-depth courses in fields ranging from chemistry to communication. While the exams are rigorous, the knowledge and credibility gained are worth the effort. Monetize by offering specialized consulting services or freelance tutoring, especially in data science or marketing. Google Digital Garage is more than just a research engine. They offer free courses that teach you how to maximize Google's vast tools, like optimizing Google Ads campaigns or mastering Google Analytics. These skills are highly sought after, and you can freelance as a digital marketer or analytics consultant, manage Google Ads campaigns for small businesses, or provide Google Analytics consulting to help businesses understand their web traffic and improve their marketing strategies. FutureLearn provides quality education from UK with a variety of free courses from top universities. Subjects like artificial intelligence and digital marketing can be learned at no cost for a limited time. Use these skills to create content, write articles, or offer coaching sessions in your area of expertise. edX, funded by Harvard and MIT, offers free courses across a wide range of subjects. Enroll in a course, gain valuable knowledge, and use it to enhance your career or start a business. You can also offer consulting in areas like business management or IT. Lastly, Khan Academy and Codecademy are excellent resources for learning computer programming and other subjects. Khan Academy is perfect for building foundational skills, which you can then use to offer tutoring services or create educational content. Codecademy is ideal for aspiring programmers, offering interactive coding lessons that can lead to freelance opportunities in web development or app creation. With so many free resources at your fingertips, there is no excuse not to start learning something new today. Whether it's boosting your resume, starting a side hustle, or changing careers, these platforms provide the tools you need without breaking the bank. So go ahead, rockstars, take the leap, learn something new, and turn your knowledge into cash. Thanks for the watch. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.